Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. Good. What did you observe in your surroundings? Yes. What did you observe? Pencil, pen, book, table, chair, door, human beings, animals like dog, cat, plants, and plants. Isn't it? Yes. By this, what did you know it? So, we are going to start a new lesson, that is things around us. What is the lesson name? Things around us. Things are classified into living things and non-living things. What is it? Things are classified into living things and non-living things. Now, let us learn the definition of living things. Living things are the things which have life. Living things are the things which have life. Examples: human beings, animals, and plants. What is the definition of living things? Living things are the things which have life. What are the examples? Human beings, animals, and plants. Good. Now let us learn the definition of non-living things. Non-living things are things which do not have life. What is that? Non-living things are the things which do not have life. Examples. Come on, tell me, what are the examples? Pencil, bench, door, etc. What is the definition of living things, children? Living things are the things which have life. What are the examples? Human beings, animals, and plants. What is the definition of non-living things? Non-living things are the things which do not have life. What are the examples? You can say anything. Either you can say chair, blackboard, bench, door, etc. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways. So let us learn about the characteristics of living things. There are 8 characteristics of living things: food, water, grow, breathe, move, stimulus and respond, reproduce and die. Die means there is no life. Okay. Now, did you understand all the characteristics of living things, children? Okay, fine. Good. Now, let us go through the word wallet. Things, living things, non-living things, food, water, grow, breathe, move, stimulus, respond, reproduce, die. Now let us have spellings. THINGS things, LIVING THINGS living things, NON non, LIVING THINGS non living things, FOOD food, WATER water, GROW grow, BREATHE breathe, MOVE move, STIMULUS stimulus, RESPOND respond, REPRODUCE reproduce, DIE die. All living things need food and water to stay alive. They need food and water for their growth, to move, and to reproduce. Plants can prepare their own food, whereas animals depend on plants for their food. Animals cannot prepare food on their own. They obtain food and water from their surroundings. Most of the animals, include man, eat different types of food. Different animals need different foods. Different animals need different foods. Animals use different methods for eating and drinking. Animals like dogs and cats lick milk. Animals such as cows, goats, etc. graze, that is, they eat grass in a field. Animals that live in forests such as elephants forage for the food, that is, search for their food. Elephants use their trunk to bring food to their mouths. Rabbits eat food by gnawing, that is, they eat bit by bit. Frogs eat insects such as flies, worms, etc. by using their long sticky tongue to catch their prey. Some birds and insects suck nectar from flowers. Snake swallows the food such as eggs, frogs, rats, etc. as a whole. Most of the plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Let us have a quick check on the above topic. I'll read out the question, try to answer it. Find out the food eaten by the following animals and their method of eating. I'll repeat the question. Find out the food eaten by the following animals and their method of eating. Cow, grass, cut, chewing. Rabbit, carrot, gnawing. Tiger, meat, tearing. Snake, egg, frog, swallowing. Butterfly, nectar, sucking. All living things need water. Water plays an important role in our day-to-day life. So children drink at least 5 glasses of water per day. Healthy water, healthy life. Even animals also drink water to survive their lives. Plants need water to grow. Roots absorb the water from the soil and transports to all parts of the plant. All the living things grow bigger in size. A human baby grows into an adult human. In the same way, a chick grows into a hen. Similarly, a caterpillar grows into an adult butterfly. In plants, the growth begins with a seed, which grows into a seedling. It then grows into a baby plant and then into a plant. Finally, it grows into a big tree. Yes, children, let us have a quick look about what we have learned in this class. What did we learn in this class? What is the lesson name? Things around us. Things are classified into living things and non-living things. And living things differ from non-living things in many ways. And also we have learned about the characteristics of living things. In the characteristics of living things, we have learned how many characteristics today? 3 characteristics. What is that? Living things need food, living things need water, living things grow. Yes, good. Living things grow. And the remaining characteristics we will learn in the next class. Yes, children, as we have completed discussing the lesson, let us now read the lesson once. Concentrate and listen carefully. Try to follow and read with me. Are you ready, children? Good. Let's start the reading of the lesson. Look at the picture of a classroom given below. You find many things in the classroom. List any 6 things that you find in the picture and fill the table to check how much you know about the things. Book. The book is living or non-living? Non-living. Good. Plant is living. Table, non-living. Teacher, living. Clock, non-living. Fan, non-living. Why do you put them in different columns? Do you find anything that does not fit in this column? No. Good. We find many things around us. They can be either living or non-living. Things that have life are called living things, and those do not have life are considered as non-living things. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. They are defined by a set of characteristics like the ability to grow, move, breathe, respond to stimuli, reproduce, etc. They also need food and water. What are the examples given in the pictures? A plant, an elephant, a boy. Characteristics of living things. Living things differ from non-living things by showing the characteristic features of being alive as mentioned above. Let us now learn more about the characteristics of living things that make them different from the non-living things. Living things need food and water. What happens when you don't water a plant for a week? Can you live without eating food for a long time? All living things need food and water to stay alive. They need food and water for their growth, to move, and to reproduce. Plants can prepare their own food, whereas animals depend on plants for their food. Animals cannot prepare food on their own. They obtain food and water from their surroundings. Most of animals, including man, eat different types of food. Different animals need different foods. Now, on the right side, you see what you can observe. Did you know? Isn't it? What is there in that? Caterpillars of the silk moth eat only one type of food throughout their life. What type of food they eat? They eat mulberry leaves. Animals use different methods for eating and drinking. We eat food. Dogs and cats lick milk. Some birds and insects suck nectar from flowers. Snakes swallow food as a whole. Quick check. Find out the food eaten by the following animals and their method of eating. Cow, grass, cut, chewing. Rabbit, carrot, gnawing. Tiger, meat, tearing. Snake, food like eggs, frogs, etc., swallowing. Butterfly, nectar, sucking. Living things grow. Look at the following pictures showing the growth of a plant and a man. What do you understand from the above pictures? We can say that all living things grow and change in their size and shape. A plant starts growing from a seed to a seedling and then into a plant or a tree. You have grown from an infant to a child now. You will further grow to be an adult. Plants grow throughout their lifetime, whereas animals grow up to a certain age. The remaining characteristics we will discuss in the next class.